Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Laptop Taskbar not working. Chapter 1. How to fix Laptop Taskbar not working restarting Windows Explorer. To start, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. You are going to click on Task Manager. After that, right-click on Windows Explorer, select the End Task option. After this, click on Run New Task. Here, enter Explorer.x. You are going to check the box, create this task with administrative privileges, click on OK. When the system environment is loaded, you can see the taskbar. Chapter 2. How to fix Laptop Taskbar not working from Run. To start, combine the Windows keys plus R. In the Run window, you can navigate to the System 32 folder or manually enter the path. Select the command on the screen. When you click OK, in a moment you will see the taskbar available. Chapter 3. How to fix Laptop Taskbar not working from Terminal. To start, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Click on Task Manager. After this, click on Run New Task. Here, enter CMD, check the box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. In the terminal, enter the command sfc/scanO, press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for the file system scan to complete to validate that the taskbar is visible. Chapter 4. How to fix Laptop Taskbar not working from Settings. To start, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Upon accessing it, go to the Taskbar section, click on Taskbar Behaviors. Now uncheck the box, automatically hide the taskbar. This will make the taskbar visible on the laptop again. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.